Welcome guys, today I am with the Jabra Elite 45H and I'm going to show you how we can perform a factory reset of this headset. So at the first we have to focus on these buttons that we can find right here. We are going to use the volume up button and the middle button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator blinks few times on the red. Also this connection will disappear because all settings will be restored to the defaults. So click and hold two buttons right now. Take a look on the indicator. As you can see, it blinks like 3 or 4 times. After that you can just simply release and take a look on the currently connection status. It disappears. So we have to go to see all, and right now just confirm to forget the device, go back, click to pair new device, and right now, oh, that was a mistake, I just have to select Jabra, and right now we'll be connected another time. So yeah, that's how we can make the factory reset of this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.